In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a view in Snowflake using the Snowsight interface. Whether you're tidying up your database or removing obsolete data, it's a straightforward process that we'll walk through together. So, let's get started. First, you'll need to log in to Snowsight. This is Snowflake's web interface that you can access by navigating to https://app.snowflake.com. Once you're there, log in with your credentials. This step is essential as it grants you access to your databases and all the views you wish to manage. After logging in, you'll want to direct your attention to the left side of your screen. You'll see a menu there, and from that menu, you'll click on the Data tab. This will take you to a section where all your data, including tables and views, are organized and can be managed. Next, you need to select the specific database and schema that contain the view you want to delete. This step is crucial because Snowflake organizes data into databases and schemas, and selecting the correct ones ensures you're focusing on the right set of views. So, ensure you've selected both the database and schema properly before moving on. Now, scroll through your options within the Views section. This is where all the views associated with the selected database and schema are listed. Carefully review this section until you find the exact view you're planning to delete. Once you've located the view you intend to remove, look for the three dots, often referred to as the ellipsis, next to the view's name. This is essentially your action menu for that particular view. By clicking on these dots, you're given a set of options. Among them, you should see one labeled Drop, or it might say Delete, depending on the version you're using. Choose this option to proceed with removing the view. Finally, you will need to confirm this action. A prompt will appear asking you to verify your choice to drop or delete the view. Once you're certain that you wish to proceed, click on the Drop button. This final click will permanently remove the view from your database. So, make sure you're indeed ready to say goodbye to that view before you hit the button. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a view from Snowflake using Snowsight. Remember, deleting a view is permanent, so it's always a good idea to double-check that you're removing the right one and that you won't need it in the future. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other videos for more Snowflake tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.